Strengthen executive communication. Good morning, team. Here's this week's reminder. If you want to grow in consulting, learn to communicate with executives clearly, directly, and confidently. Executives don't want a long walk to the point. They want the point. They want clarity, they want judgment, they want relevance, and they want to know what matters, why it matters, what the options are, and what you recommend. That means executive communication is not about sounding smarter. It's about making things simpler, sharper, and more useful. Too many consultants overwhelm leaders with details before establishing the message. They explain everything they know instead of leading with what matters most. Strong consultants do just the opposite. They lead with the answer, they frame the issue clearly, they highlight risks, trade-offs, and implications, and they speak with enough detail to inform, but not so much as they bury the message. That takes preparation, that takes discipline, and that takes confidence in your own thinking. Here's a simple rule that helps. Lead with the headline, then support it with a few strong points. Then make the ask, the recommendation, or the decision that's needed. When you do this well, executives trust you more. They feel your clarity, they feel your command of the issue, and they feel that you respect their time. And that matters. So this week, as you prepare your updates for your meetings, your client conversations, ask yourself whether your message is built for clarity or built for comfort. Comfort rambles, clarity leads. This week, raise your standard. Get to the point, support it well, communicate like a leader. Here's your call to action. Before your next executive meeting or leadership update, write your headline first in one sentence. Then build the rest of the message around the headline so your communication stays sharp and focused. Let's have a strong week.